Hey guys, this is Michael Mangelli standing here in Sarasota, Florida. Standing aboard a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 350 SLX Outboard. This boat features twin 400 V10s, a lot of torque, a lot of power, with joystick powered option. Beautiful aft, flip up aft seat that's on tracks here so you can create extra space forward and aft. As you walk through, watch your head on the extended shade, which does extend over this aft seat. Beautiful sea deck as you walk down here into the cockpit in gray. On the starboard side, you're going to see electric grill, freshwater sink, place for garbage, and a refrigerator as well. LED lighting throughout. This particular boat features a skylight opening here in canvas. Stone gray upholstery, very popular color. A lot of seating, a lot of entertaining space. Up here at the helm, you got double seating, so for your companion on both sides. Acrylic dash featuring 2 Simrad units, VHF radio, spotlight control. There's your joystick as well. Fusion stereo, great sounding stereo. Over here on the port side, get a little cuddy space. So if you want to get out of the sun, out of the elements, it does give you that option. Over here, forward the helm, you've got a really nicely pointed helm. Or forgive me, forward the helm, you've got a nice, well-appointed head with a step down into the head. So this creates a nice ease getting in and out. Let you get a shot of that. And this just pushes right down. As you get forward up to the bow area, fold down armrests on both sides, easy access to fresh water washdown, and your windlass control. There's your spotlight. So a lot of great features on the boat, guys. We just touched on a few. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us here at MarineMax Sarasota. I'm Michael Mangelli. Hope to see you soon.